The MultiChoice Talent Factory's application for next year are out.
Okay, but what are the youth doing? They're creating. They're writing lines straight from their souls. They're calling the shots, then shooting their shots. They're dreaming with their eyes wide open. They're telling stories and then starring in them. This is a new generation of African storytellers who are multiplying magic, so listen up. Africa's youth are speaking. The MultiChoice Talent Factory is seeking aspiring filmmakers to join the class of 2024. Experience a year of fully sponsored film and TV training by the industry's best producers, directors, and writers. We want to meet the next generation of talented storytellers. To apply, visit multichoicetalentfactory.com. Applications closed 14th July.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dekla, and today I'm back with another video, baby. And I'm back with good news for those who want to be filmmakers, who actually want to do film videos. And so before we get in this video, please consider subscribing because I have good news for you guys. So basically, guys, I'm just gonna tell you one thing. Personally, for me to be here this year, I applied since 2018. I've been applying every year. The applications are out. I've always been applying and I never got it. I never got in. And for some reason, there's always something that pushes me to keep applying and keep applying and keep applying. So it's only last year when I actually got in. And when I got that news that when I got that call that I had to go for an interview, guys, that was like the best day of my life, because I was just like, wow, I'm finally here. Because every other time I apply, I'd never been called for an interview except for last year. So I'm just gonna give you a little tips of what I think would actually get you into the MultiChoice Talent Factory. And if you are really serious about film, this video is for you. It is for you. Now, MultiChoice Talent Factory is basically just looking for someone who is passionate about film, who's passionate about storytelling, who's passionate about the African stories, to tell African stories, basically. All right, there's no formula, there's no connection that will get you in here. Nothing. You have to be passionate. You have to show that you are really passionate and you really want this thing. And the other thing is that you need to be willing to learn. You need to be hungry. You just need to be hungry. If you're coming with your know-it-all attitude, then I don't know if you're actually gonna get it. And the qualifications for this year, you actually have to be from 18 to 26. Usually it used to be 18 to 30, but then that kind of changed this year. So if you're between the age of 18 to 26, you might just be the lucky one. And the other thing is, you need to be genuine. You need to be yourself. There's no special, I told you, there's no special formula here. You just have to be yourself. And if you're yourself and you're really interested in film, trust me, you will get in there. And the other thing is your motivational letter. When you write your motivational letter, you don't have to go and Google and write all these bombastic English words. Trust me. People can see, people know when your application is actually not genuine. So you have to lay yourself at the table. You have to show what you really want. You have to express yourself in that letter, because people want to get to know you. And I'm telling you now, getting in this program is going to be worth it, especially if you know nothing at all. If you're inexperienced, you're just passionate, you will learn a lot. I didn't know anything about film except for acting and writing, and that's it. I knew a little bit of camera work, but then like when you come here, you will know that there's actually a lot of things that you didn't know about filmmaking. So and my little advice is that you need to you need to be yourself, like be confident and just be positive that they will call you. And if they don't, you keep trying, you know. If they don't, you keep trying. But I just really wish you guys all the best, and I hope I'll see you guys next year. I hope I'll see you guys next year. And also, like, let me just remind you a little bit of the good things about being part of MTF is that you will get to network with professionals, you get like the best facilitators, you get to be with 20 other people that are like talented, 20 other people that are like hungry, that you can learn a lot from. Like, you can learn so much from your peers without even just by interacting with them, just by being with them. Imagine you're going to be with these people for a whole year. So guys, I'm just motivating you guys that if you really want to be an African storyteller and you don't know where to start, MTF is the right place to start. And yes, because I love you guys so much, I decided to give you this little information, and I'm hoping to see you guys next year. Again, this brings us to the end of our video. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, because somebody that you know may actually need this, may actually need to know of this information. And I'll put the link in the description box, so if you want to apply, the link is in the description box. And fill in your application today, and it's actually due in July, so there's still enough time to put together your documents. And try your best, guys, try your best, and I wish you all the best of luck. See you guys in my next video.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want